Mnenjire moyo kweneke buno bochabu tibuli kurutwa chindo chigentike kwira gusarika kwa ebitwita ine memo chobosongo. Ngoli chikuria rero ekiombe kya ambassadors kuri kanisa ya Millenium SD memo chojogo kubwatrana ne department y'ebitwita ine me county ya Kisii bakremera mayo kurusi obiyo ekurutwa seroche rwa Masosa.
While we are passing through this river, we observed that this river is highly polluted. And so we have discovered that the raw sewage coming from the household along this river, all of it is getting into the river. Then we have also found out that the waste from this household, all of it is being dumped here. And so as young people, we thought it's wise to come up with a community initiative program of cleaning this river so that we get to remove all the wastes along this river. At the same time, also create awareness to the people around here so that they do not dump their wastes in water.
As a Millenium fraternity, mbuya tuaro chevuna abana be crap wekekia ambassadors geje esengencho yo corre ese community environment bamenyete na kiere nere ensavi esengencho bamenyete na abantu na community as a church. That is the responsibility egana iri kubakolera.
Ngilore masita nayo mabwana abo barase kiombe kyo kya ambassadors yo kwerobya bwo korenda chindoche nebintu bitwetana ine.
And we've decided to do this project so that we can create a conducive environment for the people living around here, because it is not good for us to dump wastes into the river, because this is not the ending point of the river. Hii river itaendelea until it enter to other big sources of water. So it is not good to use the river as a dumping site, and I would like to urge the people living around here and the nation in general that we should take care of the rivers that we have, because dumping waste into the rivers, it doesn't only affect the animals living in the river, it also affects us in general.
Ekati ubiye yubanya koru sene chisindana na bwege bintu bigotumekanya gitari bagikeria abanyagitari nako babore bamanye enchira enkia bakobituguta.
Barugo sabanga bali bare bamanyate angegaiga bamanya na kibago tukute bintu byabo nonyana abanyagitari baito ekaro babitumikire bamanyanga na kibago bitumike kera ntubwata abanyagitari baito ba kero kende clinic officers kero kende bago tumika babitumikira asenjere yemo ekaro bako bitumika bamanyanga ibako bituguta gochia tebako bibeka ndonsi asabantu bagweta gose ase dumping site buna bono gandoche.
We urge our people, especially those in the health facilities, even if you are doing some of it in your house or you are doing it in your small clinic, we urge you to be very cognizant of the health hazards that are coming alongside such type of wastes.
Like medical waste, the ones which I'm seeing here, it's very bad. It's very bad. Anybody who has done medics, he knows best how to dispose this kind of medical waste.
Chinga kiche boigo niko basimeke meta senseme ya People's Park na kuborio kubwaterana kurenda ebitwetana ine.
We decided to come and plant trees along this People's Park within the Kisii municipality with an aim of participating in beautification as well as environmental conservation of this area. We are cognizant of the environment as young people, and we are also aware of the global issue of climate change, which we are also working very hard to mitigate. Climate change is a collective responsibility which all of us must participate in.
Reporter ya Oyo Minto TV kure kaunti ya Kisii, Literana Pethuel Machin.